Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making the ultimate nacho platter. So what you need to do is brown your meat. It's ground beef, 100% grass-fed organic, and you need to put some taco seasoning. This one is mild because I like mine between spicy and non-spicy. And then you put your chips. I like to use Siete. They're a great company. I use lime because nothing's better than lemon and lime. And you just sprinkle it on a baking sheet with some parchment paper. And so now you sprinkle some cheese on. Sprinkle as much as you like. I like to have it in the middle. And one more. Perfect. Just a couple more because I like it to be gooey, cheesy. So what I'm trying to do is almost do the whole thing so it really has that cheesy sort of texture. And so now we're going to do little dollops of meat on the cheese and chips. I like a lot of beef. This is going to be super hearty and such a good meal for a lunch or a dinner or just like an all-around snack. Thank you for everyone that has subscribed and supported me on my channel. I really appreciate that. So now you put this into the oven for 350 for 5 to 7 minutes. And now, here are the toppings that I'm going to put on when it comes out of the oven. So I have some sour cream. You put little dollops. I have some organic salsa. It's from Costco. These two items are optional. It's sliced cherry tomatoes and a sliced black olives. So these are optional, but I just like to put them on there because they are super good. And I have some fresh avocados and I made some guacamole. We'll link how to make this in the description box. I made this on my other video. It was the guacamole. We can get our gloves. And, oh wow, that looks amazing. Look at this. Oh, this looks so good. This is really great. So I'm gonna try to do is take this and this here. Then I'm gonna put some of my toppings, like a little dollop of here. I'm gonna do a little dollop of guacamole in the middle. Then put some salsa. And we'll put some black olives, some cherry tomatoes, and some sour cream. Some black olives for a little garnishing taste. Some cherry tomatoes. for color and most definitely flavor. And we will put some sour cream right on the side. Sour cream right on the side. And we'll just sprinkle a little more of this Mexican blend just to give it a little color and flavor. And I'm gonna try some of it. Here. Let me get a little something on here. Get a little guacamole. First off, it is mind-blowing how good this is. This just looks like tacos, but it is so much better. And I didn't even have it with all the toppings. Imagine how good it would be if I got all the toppings. But remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And comment down below what videos I should make. For any suggestions, I am all ears. So, see you on my next video, guys. See ya. Bye.